Welcome back to Industrial Nexus, where heavy machines meet human limits. One wrong move, one bad decision, and everything goes sideways. Stay sharp, this one escalates quickly.
Es una lucha.
I've witnessed plenty of close calls on job sites, but this one is chilling. Two men standing beneath a 68-ton crane when the straps fail. If not for a bent steel strut, this moment could have ended in tragedy. A crane overturned during dismantling operations at the Zarita power plant, highlighting the extreme risks involved in heavy industrial decommissioning. Not every operator could pull this off. Even with the damage to the machine, this takes countless hours of experience. Hats off to him.
Все, падай! Падай! Вот этого мы и боялись.
When IMO 9851775 hit the water, it set a new standard for maritime precision.
Стоп, 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 стоп! Отойдите, отойдите оттуда!
Transporting oversized cargo takes more than raw power. It demands planning, legal know-how, and absolute precision. Tight roundabouts, narrow roads, and weak infrastructure leave no room for mistakes. Every move is calculated before the wheels even turn.
сплошное небо.
Wheels come off. What a surprise. City mode officially activated.
Включен режим.
A real test of brute force. A 600-ton trailer, 5 trucks pulling together, and still nothing budges. This is the kind of extreme challenge you rarely see, especially unfolding right in the middle of a busy street like Avenida Washington Lewis. The driver tackled those tight, winding roads like a true professional. Every move was perfectly calculated. No scratches, no mistakes. It's a breathtaking display of skill, timing, and teamwork. If that's not impressive, nothing is.
¿Qué se enciende primero?
This is beyond shocking. Watching that truck go up in flames is a brutal reminder of how fast danger can strike. Thankfully, no one was hurt. It's a true testament to the driver's quick thinking and calm under pressure.
El camionero desistió y...
Да. Скажи, посмотрел этого ютубера и пиздец, да, пошел. Надо одному там. Видел, у него как болтает. Нормально, хорош.
Imagine being stranded in the middle of nowhere, then the Euro 4-320 rolls in. A brute of Russian engineering executes a textbook recovery like its routine. It feels less like a rescue and more like watching a superhero at work, proving that smart design truly shines when real-world challenges hit head-on.
Kommen beide.
Mama eine.
Ja. Boah. Boah. Da oben. Boah.
Ja.
Das ist umfallen.
Watching this bridge demolition, you can clearly see true professionalism in action. Every move is calculated. Even the collapse itself is controlled, deliberate, and executed safely. This isn't destruction, it's precision engineering at its finest.
That's the idea. Nice. Nice. Yeah, I'm taking a video. The backside of the copy. Very smart. So this is thing down.
35438.
Never seen before. Whoa, it look like that. It is on the ground, eh.
That Mad Max-style fuel truck from the Nightwolves Club rolled into MEV looking like it escaped straight out of Death Race. All it was missing were flamethrowers on the sides to complete the apocalypse vibe. Imagine a wind turbine blade so enormous it rivaled the height of the Statue of Liberty. Now picture it twisting and turning through Denmark's roads. This 218-kilometer journey of the LM88.4P was every bit as epic as the blade itself.
Se calibró, mire, es de adelante que viene calibrado.
Everything spiraled out of control. The bulldozer made an epic escape, sliding like it was starring in a stunt scene. One tiny forklift bump and, boom, total warehouse chaos. Cutting corners on shelf quality turned expensive real fast. Lesson learned. Safety is priceless.
Go, go!
What do you think of these moments? We'd love to hear your thoughts and any suggestions for improvement. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to catch our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.